I am prepping the Kiss diamond painting kit in round. I have put artist tape around the edges of the painting, and now I'm going to apply pressure sensitive adhesive for the diamonds to stick to it. I know that looks like a lot of glue. I'm going to spread it around and then put probably a second and a third coat on there, depending on how well this spreads. The first coat takes a little bit to apply, a little bit of extra work, and then the remaining second and third coat don't. It goes on a lot easier. So my version of the Kiss is full drill. A lot of companies leave the faces alone, and you don't have to put diamonds on their faces, but this is full drill, so you would do that. There's something satisfying about putting this adhesive on the canvases. The glue does dry a little bit unevenly, so I have to remember that, because I don't want to apply too much glue in a spot that I think is dry. Or, I'm sorry, I don't want to apply too much glue to a space that I think does not have enough. the darker colors appear through the glue more so than the lighter colors. So it also may look like the glue is unevenly applied. I make sure that it's not. Okay, so this is going to dry for about half an hour, 45 minutes, and then I'm going to put another coat on.